Introducing the L MK2 series, a portable active Colum array system. This state-of-the-art setup has two key elements: an audio DSP compact subwoofer and a passive 4-inch column. Easily configure them to fit any application, ensuring versatility for every scenario. The subwoofer can be placed inside an optional transport case for effortless mobility. As for the 4-inch active column cabinet, it's accompanied by a custom-designed dual unit-like case, ensuring safe and easy transportation. Experience a simplified installation process with our system, with quick assembly and disassembly. Designed to be easy to use, it ensures fluid operation for both professionals and non-technical operators, reducing time and costs. This series is mainly designed for applications such as banquet halls, multi-purpose, and conference rooms in music-themed restaurants, and is also suitable for mobile performance systems. The first one is the L83 MK2 series, and the one next to it is the L65 MK2 series. Whole system is active with onboard 96 kHz DSP. The Class D amplifier can achieve a maximum output power of up to 4000 watts. The L83 MK2 can reach a maximum sound pressure level of 135 dB. The L65 MK2 series reaches an impressive maximum sound pressure level of 137 dB. Let's check the speaker components. The L83 MK2 system features two HF compression drivers, a 3-inch mid-low frequency drivers, and a dual 12-inch bandpass subwoofer. The L65 MK2 system incorporates 4 HF compression drivers, 6x5-inch mid-low frequency drivers, and a single 18-inch bandpass subwoofer. Hello everyone, how does signal transmission work for the L MK2 series line array speakers? Let's explore the control system of the L MK2 series. Firstly, we have the power input section, which includes a power switch and the power input socket. The LED display section. The first is the power supply indicator. The second is the signal indicator. The third is the limiter indicator. The fourth is the system anomaly indicator. Finally, we have a button switch to enable or disabling the LED light on the speaker front panel. Moving on, let's understand the signal input section. The signal input section features two sets of line level inputs, channel A and channel B. Below them are the corresponding input gain adjustment knobs for A and B. Channel A has a switch that enables you to choose between line and microphone input with 48-volt phantom power. On the right, we see a Bluetooth logo. By pressing and holding the button below it, the LED indicator will flash continuously. At this point on the mobile device, we can find the Bluetooth input signal of the speaker and connect to it. Below is the input gain adjustment knob. That sums up all signal input section. Regarding the output section, we can see this interface, which is the mix out. When the input signals from A, B or bridges, we can achieve mixed signal output to this output. This knob switch controls the overall output gain of the entire speaker set. This smaller knob is for the low frequency gain. Then, we can see a USB interface here, which is used for the import of system presets. Above it, there is a toggle switch that is mainly used for the quick setup of the subwoofer with different 4-inch speakers. This is the main layout of the signal routing section on the rear panel. Regarding the connection between the subwoofer and the 4-inch line array, what method will we use? We will use beacon wiring for the connection. After inserting the cable into this connector on the subwoofer, we then connect the 4-inch line array. This way, we will have the complete system connected. Then, we just need to connect the power supply and the audio signal, and the system can operate normally. Turn on the power switch. Then, press and hold the Bluetooth button until the indicator light flashes continuously. Now, press the Bluetooth button on the other desired speaker until it flashes continuously as well. Once the pairing is complete, the indicator lights will keep solid, so the system has successfully connected. At this point, activate Bluetooth on your mobile device, and you will see the available device ACL. Tap on it to initiate pairing. At this moment, your phone's Bluetooth should display connector for media audio. Alright, now we will use your phone to play music, to check if the Bluetooth connection is functioning properly. And then the other one. The Bluetooth connection operation for the L MK2 series line array is that simple，很有喜好累积。